Hi, I'm Bob Brown. You know, before information gets to the web or trade publications, it spreads by word of mouth. But how can you tap into this real-time information so that you can stay on a level playing field with your colleagues? Well, the answer is Teladata's Technology Convergence Conference, held in the heart of Silicon Valley. Over 320 IT, facilities, and data center professionals, along with CIOs, CEOs, and others involved with the design, planning, and project management of facilities infrastructure, attended the last Technology Convergence Conference. Companies such as Google, VMware, Sun Microsystems, Foundry Networks, Cisco, and many others participate in our event. Here's what some of them have to say about the conference.
Unless you do come to events like this, you really don't have the opportunity to stay up with the latest in technology and the solutions that are available out there in our trade.
I think the greatest benefit of the event is to be able to know what new technologies are coming and to be able to make sure that one is addressing current problems with an eye towards that future.
The person I was with was planning on leaving early, and I told him, no, we've got to stay here and participate in the rest of the session. So, yeah, I would definitely come. I would definitely tell people to come to this event.
I would say come. It's definitely worth it. I mean, if you want to expand your network, that's always helpful.
If you're in the facility side, on the IT side, or whatever, even for the contractor side, to be able to help the clients, I think this is dynamite.
So right now we're here at the Technology Convergence Conference in Santa Clara, and we're going to get some real-time information to find out what all the buzz is about, what's hot and what's not, what are people doing right now, and what are they thinking about in the future.
Well, what I'm talking about is going green with your data center. You know, we've lived in the same world for 40 years, where we just turn on the computers, we turn on the air conditioning, we just let it run. It's becoming not just a big problem energy-wise, but it's the #1 reason we're running out of data center capacity and people end up spending hundreds of millions of dollars more.
Okay, so I'm here at the conference, and one of the interesting things about this conference is we get to see a lot of different things, not just the mainstream stuff.
This is a disconnect switch that, for all appearances, has no problems with it. You can't detect visually a problem to save your life. But when you look at it with the infrared camera, you can see that the center phase has a loose connection, which is this component right here. And this is exactly this hotspot here.
On the right-hand side is a cabinet that's bolted on a raised floor, and the left-hand side is seismically isolated. And so what we're doing here is removing 80% of the energy of the earthquake from the cabinets and its components.
So this one on the right is just shaking all over the place.
Yes, it is.
And the one that's not moving at all.
No.
So how does this work?
We use ball bearings. It's very similar in concept to seismically isolating a building.
This is an educational conference where attendees can get the latest insight on new technologies affecting their facilities infrastructure and also learn in-the-trenches tactics from experts. Attendees get information-packed sessions and learn cutting-edge technology from exhibitors as well as each other.
I primarily came today to understand some of the power technologies and being able to control power. And there's a lot of good information here.
Chris Nolan, Cisco Systems. I'm the lab manager in the data center BU, and learned a lot about the green activities going on here. We're going to add them to what we're doing already.
I'm an energy efficiency guy. So if you want to know data centers and energy efficiency, plus other tracks, this is really a good conference.
Besides real-time information, we've designed this conference to be a good one-on-one networking opportunity where vendors can talk with real decision makers and trend influencers. Attendees included IT and facilities management from high-tech, legal, financial, healthcare, government, life science, education, and entertainment industries.
I work with SynapSense up in Folsom doing wireless sensor networks. And we've been able to understand probably better how our solution fits into a lot of the needs in data centers. So yeah, it's been a really good networking opportunity for SynapSense today.
There's been so much useful information from the data centers here. I am getting so much out of this, networking with a lot of people. There's been a lot of new contacts made, some old friends seen.
This is a great place to network, meet professionals and experts, and get more familiar with what you have or don't have. I get great advice from peers and other facility managers, so it's been great, really. This is my second year coming here, and this year's been even better and bigger.
In summary, the Technology Convergence Conference is a place where you can hear the latest information before it hits the trade publications. It's a place where companies can reach out and have one-on-one conversations with decision makers. And it's a place, most importantly, where you can build your network to ensure your future success. And all this happens in just one day, includes a free lunch. So we hope to see you at the next Technology Convergence Conference.